Hi there. So I've got here a parcel and I haven't done an unboxing video in quite a while, and I thought let's just see what it is. These are the rubber bands from the post service. As you can tell, the box has been quite compromised and it's just under 2 kilo, which means the parcel is a small parcel in the UK. Very flimsy box here. I hope there's nothing fragile in it. Better put my knife away, just well, maybe some wrapping material on top of it. And the rest literally is this portion here. I don't know, I think for wrapping I wouldn't give this seller a great review. It's very careless wrapping of whatever it is. Things are poking out. It could even hurt buying this. So let's see what it is. Gives me a lot of wrapping material, and then here this is this flimsy bag. I'll just rip it open. And this seems to be quite interesting. So this is a 3-rail track. That's a Wren 3-rail track with a track feeder. Oh, that's pretty. That's a Wren adapter piece, which goes a bit higher up, so you can connect it to, for instance, Hornby joblot or Märklin track or similar. And here it goes down to the flat Wren track. This looks like a homemade bent track. Here we got the adapter things for this, and we've got the box for the adapter rail. Very good, that's nice. And then we've got here a Wren buffer stop and another short straight track segment of track. Now it becomes more interesting. This here seems to be a double flip switch. Wow, that's hardcore electrics. Really cool. I think I'll use this for my test track in the future. Awesome. But that's how it can be made when you do it yourself. We've got a little box of nothing in here, so it's a nice Matchbox box. You could probably find out, and they got 27 prize medals for their Matchboxes. So at the time, Matchboxes got reviewed. This is Märklin. That's a very old Märklin and a very old switch. Seems to be intact. There's no button for these two switches. You can put them together like this. And not much has changed over the years apart for their layout. So this is quite nice to have some Märklin here as well. And this here is I have no idea what it is. It seems to me that this is sorry, where to start. I think it's O gauge. Is it though? Yeah, it must be O gauge, because this is double O gauge, so it's O gauge. Obviously half of the wheels are missing. It's extremely dirty and it's falling apart. Never mind. Let's put this back before we lose it all. And here would be the brushes, but it seems that the brushes here are missing too, and it is an AC motor. So this is a vintage AC motor, and I could imagine that if you add the brushes and you lubricate it well enough, this will actually be working. So where shall we put it? Let's put it next to the knife, which I definitely don't need anymore. I've got here some wires, which are not very interesting. Oh, but then here something becomes very interesting. These here are the old catenary system for Märklin, and this is actually for the points. So this is for a left-hand point, and here is a right-hand point. So these were placed over the point, so you have enough for a little station. Let's So these, and how many of these do we have here? That's quite a bundle of these tracks. I'm very excited about these. And this is so nice, so subtle. So this goes that let's put it here in the box with Märklin items. And we've got here plasters. Probably not. It's probably just let's see what's inside. Oh, this here, I'm pretty convinced goes, maybe I'm wrong. No, it doesn't go here. So I don't know what it is. And we've got a screw, alloy screw. We've got some electronic clippers, something for a light switch, some light bulbs. That's good. You see the old vintage light bulbs, they may still be working. There's another piece of these. I don't really know what it is for. I can't know everything. And this here is an old Märklin clown Kupplung. Oh. So that's clearly some remnants of someone who had a Märklin collection, and I would have loved to get the rest of this, because with the clown Kupplung and these overhead catenary and this must have been quite an exciting layout. This again is something rather vintage, could be from an old motor, from an old pre-war Märklin motor, where you switch the direction with AC current. It's just oh, the train passing. Then here we've got an old Hornby Dublo switch, which unfortunately is definitely broken. What else do we have here? Here you see this overhead catenary mast left rest, and another one. So unfortunately these are broken catenary masts, but it shows you how they were. I can show you how they were used. So you had this, and you pulled this down, and then you could just fit them into. So you pull it up and fit them into there. Obviously the other way around, like this. And this would then be your catenary mast, which has broken off. What a shame. Then here another, that's a broken clown Kupplung. Part of the track. Now this here is a copper spool of some sort for some kind of induction, maybe for changing polarity, I don't know. Unfortunately, I don't know what it is, but I'm sure some Märklin collector or O gauge collector will know all about it. This looks like an old Trix coupling. We've got another broken branch for these, some more old brass Kupplungen, and some more broken. Really sad to see these Märklin Kupplungen. Another clown Kupplung. This goes here as well. Few screws, and that's it. So quite a broad collection of items, even a piece of charcoal. That's quite funny. Quite broad collection of items. I'm not quite sure what to do with all of these. I personally bought this probably because I was attracted by this here and these items, but we'll see what happens. Well, for so far, I'd say thanks for watching and see you next time.